Hi friends, this is Silva. Day by day, IT related videos we are uploading channel. Subscribe this channel. Okay. Today we are see WhatsApp desktop app open at a time placed in Play Store. This errors we are facing. So how to solve? Okay. See this WhatsApp in Play Store open for the WhatsApp. Here encounter or not download so many errors is come. So okay, how to solve this one? Okay, just close this one. I'm given to the link in below here. WUB folder, WUB folder. This is a Windows update enable or disable tool is there. This maximum these problems based on Windows updating issues. Okay, so go to here, WP folder, copy paste to the C drive, in the C drive C volume. Just open it in WP folder under there into 64-byte WP app is there. Open run as administrator. Just enable update. Apply OK. Just close and restart your computer now. Okay, restart after what happened in this, all the services, Windows features, services, everything is moves to turn on. Okay, after you come and check Play Store in the WhatsApp app, what happened now? See this, WhatsApp has opened and older version is there now currently here is come updated version download and install. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Subscribe channel.